Welcome to our channel where we make digital tips simple and easy to follow. Welcome to our channel where we make digital tips simple and easy to follow. Today we will walk you through a professional, easy to understand, step-by-step guide on how to log in to your Buy Me a Coffee account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Buy Me a Coffee website. Once the homepage loads, locate the Login button situated usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. Next, you'll see a login form requesting your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Buy Me a Coffee account carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Then input your secure password into the password field. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link near the password box and click it. This will guide you through steps to reset your password via your registered email. After entering your credentials correctly, click on the Login button below the fields. If your information is accurate, you will be successfully logged into your account and redirected to your dashboard where you can access your profile, earnings, supporter messages, and more. To keep your account secure, always remember to log out after using Buy Me a Coffee, especially if you are on a public or shared computer. Simply click on your profile icon, located typically at the top right, and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Following these steps ensures a smooth and safe login experience every time you access your Buy Me a Coffee account. Don't forget to bookmark the login page for quicker access in the future, and keep your passwords strong and confidential. Thank you for watching this clear and professional guide on how to log into your Buy Me a Coffee account.